I need to replace my Honeywell thermostat model TH9421C1004. It has only three wires connected to it numbered 1, 2, 3. Going to an interface module, using a heat pump with O backup. An identical replacement is not available. Do you have any suggestions for an appropriate thermostat? Thanks, Hans.
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will do my best to help you with your issue. If my initial response doesn't answer your question, then let me know and we can continue our conversation. This is a suitable replacement. http://www.supplyhouse.com/Honeywell TH9321R1001 Vision PR08000W Red Link IAC Contacts Programmable 3H2C Touchscreen Thermostat.
Will this thermostat work with the 3 wires only? Hans.
Yes, it's the recommended replacement for your old thermostat.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.